Hello everyone. This presentation is about fungal disease in apple scab. This presentation is made by a student, Drashti Tarsaria. So what is the fungal disease in apple scab? Introduction. Apple scab is a fungal disease that affects apples. It is caused by the fungus Venturinia inoculis. The disease can cause significant damage to apple trees, resulting in loss of yield and quality. Symptoms. Apple scab symptoms typically appear on leaves and fruits. On leaves, symptoms appear as small olive green spots that eventually turn brown and scabby. On fruit, symptoms appear as a small black spot that eventually enlarge and become sunken. So this is the apple scab spot, first one. Second is corky spot on fruit. And last one is advanced scab. Spread. Apple scab is spread by spores that are produced by the fungus. The spores are spread by wind, rain and insects. The disease can also be spread by pruning tools and contaminated plant material. Disease cycle. The apple scab fungus overwinters in infected leaves on the ground. During the winter and early spring, the fungus forms fruiting bodies in the fallen leaves. Primary fungal spores are released from the fruiting bodies during rainy period in the spring. The spores are carried by wind and rain to developing fruit and leaves. Primary infections can occur from green tip through 1 to 2 weeks after petal fall. Symptoms appear 1 to 2 weeks after infection. Secondary fungal spores are produced on the lesions and cause additional infections on leaves and fruits during rainy seasons. Secondary infections can continue to occur throughout the growing season. So this is the life cycle of apple scab. Management. How can you control? There are a number of ways to manage apple scab, including cultural practices, planting scab, resistant varieties of apples, pruning trees to improve air circulation, removing fallen leaves and fruits to reduce the amount of inoculum, chemical control, applying fungicides to protect trees from infection, biological control, using biocontrol agents such as bacteria and fungi to control the spread of the disease. These are some questions. So please think about it and you have to give answer by yourself. Question number 1. Apple scab is caused by a fungus called. Next question. Which of the following is not a symptom of apple scab? Yes, you are right. Next one is, which of the following is the best way to control apple scab? Just watch and think about it. Question number 4 is, which of the following is not a good cultural practice for preventing apple scab? Just think what will be the answer according to you. Now, answers are in front of you. Question number 1, D. Second is also D. Third is also D. And last one is, answer is A. So, thank you very much.